Hi, welcome back to another episode of Will It Sleep. So today we are going to talk about how safe is our slip stop surface for your pet. But in Niro Ceramic Group, we do not believe in mistreating the animals. So we are going to use the pet's figurines as a replacement to it. Today we will be showing you the test on a plush cat, the goat, and the rabbits. Alright, so first up, I'm just going to wet the surface. Okay. And then here we go with the plush cat first, on the matte surface. Alright, on the slip stop surface.
Next, the goat. Slip stop.
So the next one and the last one, we will be going for the rabbits.
That's not good.
And on the slip stop surface. That's all for today. If you'd like to see more of the items appearing on our next episodes, do leave us a comment below. And we will see you on our next
Will It Slip?